And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to request and manage a business line of credit in Bluevine. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to request a Bluevine business line of credit, you need to simply apply online by providing business and personal information. So simply go in Bluevine and simply try to get started by application. So simply tap on start application and request a line of credit. So you need to start the application, and once you've started the application, you need to fill out the form. Once you have done this, you need to complete verification and wait to get a decision from Bluevine. After this, once approved, you will need to accept the offer, and note that a hard credit pull will occur at this stage, so be sure you're ready to draw funds before accepting. Now, to manage your line of credit, you need to request funds, make repayments, replenish your credit, manage spending rules, and maintain your line as well. Now you can also request for an increase and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.